Hello everyone. In this video, I have come with an interesting topic. If you are a TagMango user, either Freedom or Enterprise, what if you should do offer completion of 2 year steered name in TagMango? You will get another issue that is Zoom meeting because it has already expired. While purchasing either Freedom or Enterprise, TagMango provides for 300 quarter spec per 2 yates at free of cost. So what if you do after finishing of your 2 years? Next, I have some update for you. So friends, this is the event section, what you're doing. This is the screenshot you can find in your own dashboard under event section. You are now. So we will see some of the comparison from the direct Zoom website. If you observe in the business section, Zoom providing 300 party span per meeting at the cost of 1,666 per month, which is billed yearly. It means per year you're going to around 20,000 cookies plus GST. Here, the privates are excluding. So when it comes to TagMango itself offering a beautiful plan, which is 15,000 plus GST, but 2 years. In a June, you're getting only 1 year, but here they're mentioning 2 years or over 5,000 less. See the comparison table. So if you want to use inbuilt Zoom for they have participant, 1 year they're charging 10,000. If you wish to continue for 2 years, but they have participant, they are charging 15,000 plus GST, to which is a best offer what I feel. So we have some of the frequently asked questions. You can also check the questions and answers in the website. I'm providing the link below the video. But thank you for watching. See you in the next video.